So this is Dr. Futon. This is the box it comes in. It's basically that big.
Yeah. What
So-
did I do with scissors?
We got scissors everywhere. There's some right here.
We just have the... Okay, so this is the cover it comes with.
Made in China.
And then China.
Yeah. Dr. Futon. You want this out of the way?
I was just looking for the scissors. Okay, ready?
Yep.
Oh, nothing happened yet.
It's vacuum packed. So it should, as soon as you open this up, it's going to expand.
Oh, there's actually a ziploc. No, it's not. I don't know.
Whatever.
No, it's not.
Cut it now. Oh, it's in several layers.
Oh, yeah, I see what's going on here. They really packaged it.
Yeah, so it wouldn't expand in transit.
Okay.
So it's double wrapped.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Let's see what happens. I'll get a little more wider angle. Oh. Oh, 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 whoa. Oh, I'm glad I was here for that.
That was very satisfying.
Ah, cool. Nice. Well, we can't return it in the same package, that's for sure. Oh, cool.
Bag.
Oh, and it does have a strap in case you want to like roll it up and store it.
Yeah.
Wow.
Into my room.
So is this as big as a twin bed?
Yeah.
Yeah, it seems like it's about as big as a twin bed.
Yeah.
Cool. Dr. Futon! And then you can roll it up.
I brought the other sweeper down and swept this out. I swept out your room a little.
Oh, thanks.
It rolls up.
Yeah.
It has a beautiful little strap and a case.
Mm-hmm. Cool. I like it.
Maybe two.
Is it comfortable?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Cool.
Here, you lay on it.
Okay.
I have to move
Ooh.
some stuff around.
You definitely hit the floor,
Yeah,
but it's
that's much comfortable.
it's padded. Yeah, this is pretty cool. I could sleep on this.
Yeah.
Yeah. Be good for your back, too. There's no box spring.
Yep.
No sagging.
Yep.
Yep. Be like an ultra firm mattress.
Yeah.
Good?
Yeah. Will you do me a favor and
Yeah.
hand me my case?
Okay. All right. That's it.
Hey.
Yay.
We'll do some candy videos in a minute after.